Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Stable Diffusion. First, let's understand what Stable Diffusion is, a powerful open-source model that creates stunning images from text descriptions. To begin, you will need a computer equipped with a dedicated graphics card, ideally with at least 8 GB of RAM for optimal performance. Also, confirm your operating system is up to date and ready for new software installations. This foundational step ensures a smooth setup process. Next, we will tackle the core installation. Begin by installing Python version 3.10.6. This specific version is crucial for compatibility. After Python, download and install Git, which is essential for cloning the Stable Diffusion web UI repository. Once Git is installed, use it to clone the repository directly to your chosen directory. These steps lay the groundwork for running the application effectively on your system. Now, let's get your models ready. You will need to download the primary Stable Diffusion checkpoint models, which are quite large, often several gigabytes each. Once downloaded, carefully place these model files into the specific models directory within your Stable Diffusion installation. Finally, open the web UI and make any necessary adjustments to the basic configuration settings. This ensures the system uses your powerful graphics card efficiently. You are almost ready to create. To start, simply launch the Stable Diffusion web UI by executing the provided batch or shell script. Once the interface loads in your browser, you can enter your creative text prompt describing the image you wish to generate. Experiment with various parameters like image dimensions or sampling steps. Finally, click the Generate button and watch as Stable Diffusion brings your vision to life in just a few moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.